In this video, I'm going to be talking about the secrets that aren't shared in Forex trading. So if you like this video and you get value from it, you enjoy the content, please support the channel by liking and subscribing. We've been growing quite rapidly recently, so I honestly appreciate everyone that's liked, subscribed, commented. If you comment, I'll get back to you. And yeah, my Instagram's in the link below if you want to follow me on that. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing I see that happens in trading is that some companies, they try to overcomplicate how complicated trading needs to be. So don't get me wrong, when you first initially learning, it does take a lot of time. There's some information that's quite complicated, but some of the things and little tricks that some companies do is they overcomplicate it by making it seem ridiculously difficult, more difficult than it needs to be. And by doing that, what that does is it makes people feel like it's so difficult to learn in terms of the knowledge. And like I said, initially it's going to be new to you and you're going to struggle and it might take a little bit of time to get used to it. But for the most part, trading is quite simple. Once you've learned the knowledge, it's about being disciplined. It's a bit like going to the gym. Like you see some of these people that overcomplicate working out and like you need to take this supplement, you need to do this, you need to do that. Ultimately, if you're in a calorie deficit and you work out at the gym, you're going to lose weight. Do these few exercises, eat this diet. But the problem comes is people struggle to stay disciplined. And it's like with trading. You might be given a strategy, you might learn it, take a good few months to learn everything and how it works and the technical analysis and everything like that. But once you've learned it, it's about staying disciplined through the wins, the losses, and just being able to not look to change anything, because naturally if you have a few losses in a row, you might question, does this work, is it going to continue to work? And then you might look to tweak and change things and you don't allow your edge to play out. But yeah, one of the things I've noticed is there are some companies out there, there's some that don't, there's some very, very legitimate companies, but just be careful that some companies will show you these charts full of indicators and all these lines on the chart to make it so overcomplicated, to make it seem harder than what it needs to be. And don't get me wrong, like I said, it is relatively difficult to start with, but I believe anyone could learn trading, learn the knowledge, but in terms of actually being a consistently profitable trader, that comes more to mindset and discipline. The next thing I see, the secrets that aren't really shared, is that it will take longer than expected. Like I said, I treated it like a degree. It took me like 3 years to continuously learn and improve. Had good periods, bad periods, lessons along the way. So some of these companies, they'll make their marketing to attract people to their course or to their community by going, get rich in 30 days and make X amount of money in 30 days. And you just have to be really cautious if you see that, because ultimately, if you think about it, you're learning a professional skill. So what professional skill could you learn and be competent at in 30 days? Not many, well, none. So sometimes these little tricks that these communities do, they try to they promote this lavish lifestyle and get rich, replace your income in 30 days or in 2 months or something like that, just to get you in. And yeah, that's a problem, because that's just not going to happen. And if it did, if you do have a good month due to them, you're probably not going to be consistent, because the consistency is what takes time, like learning your emotions and being able to control, make good decisions, go through drawdown periods, go through winning periods, and take all those lessons and learn. But yeah, and the last thing is, and this is one of the biggest things, is there is no holy grail. There is no one strategy that people are keeping a secret, that they're hiding from everyone, that you just need to pay a certain amount of money and that one strategy will make you loads of money. There's strategies that are profitable, don't get me wrong, there are. That's how lots of people trade. But there isn't this one hidden strategy that only the top millionaires are trading and them, hiding it from everyone else. There's lots and lots and lots of strategies that can make you consistent money. But you've got to remain consistent with that strategy too. You've got to make sure you're taking the correct trades, you're trading, being disciplined, doing the things you need to do outside of trading so that you can be disciplined inside of trading. But yeah, there is no holy grail hidden strategy. So if you have a losing period on your strategy, don't look to swap and look for another strategy, because you might start winning on that for a bit, and then you'll have a drawdown period and start losing on that, and you'll look to switch back. Stick to your strategy. Have a big sample size so you can allow your edge to play out. And by doing that, you're going to be more likely to be consistent, because you're allowing your edge, a high sample size of trades, to, if you're having a losing period, to allow the winners to bring back those losses and give you profit. So yeah, they're the some of the things, that the secrets that aren't really shared. The hidden things that some people, they try to make it not accessible to people, to new traders, but ultimately there isn't really. It's about remaining disciplined, try to control your emotions, and sticking to your strategy. If you know it works, you've done the data to know that it's consistently profitable over the long term. You've just got to keep riding that out, and by doing that, you'll be consistently profitable if you stick to it. But that could take time. Some people could do it in 6 months or a year. Some people could take 5 years. Just got to keep sticking, keep improving, and I'm sure everyone will get there. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below your thoughts. I'm trying to grow the channel, so I'd appreciate anyone who hasn't subscribed to subscribe. Like I say, like, comment, I'll get back to you. And yeah, I appreciate the support. So I'll see you in the next video.